Hello from the Discovery Tower at Disneyland Hotel. We are here for 4 nights and we're going to be checking out a new room type that I've never stayed in before. So this is actually a DVC, Disney Vacation Club property, but you can book it even if you aren't a DVC member. So that's what we're doing. We're doing this just on cash, not points. So I'm going to show you around a deluxe preferred view room. So when you walk into the room, to your right here is going to be the bathroom. So we have one sink and then we have our shower over in the back there. And then connected to this as well is the water closet. So this room is Tiana themed. There's different themes throughout the resort. So you'll see a lot of different kind of nods to Tiana on the walls as well as in the artwork. Out in the main living area here, you can see that there's the queen size bed, and then we'll have a bed that's going to pull out, so a Murphy bed, but also have the couch here. What I love so much about these rooms too is that you do get a kitchenette. So we have a microwave, we have a coffee maker, Keurig, we have a refrigerator, sink, so you have some a toaster up there, it looks like. So you have a lot of different things. So if you want to be able to make breakfast in the morning or anything like that, you can do that. You have your closet over here, and you can see Tiana's clothing in the back. And then you do have a clothes closet here as well. And I'm going to guess, let's check. Yes, this is where you're going to have the safe, and you have your ironing board, extra blankets, all that good stuff. So over on this side, we have our bags over here right now, but you do have another seat, which is nice to have. And then you also have this area here, so you can use it to get ready in the morning, as a desk, if you want to eat some of your breakfast, whatever it may be. And then you have a nice big TV over here. So this is a deluxe studio with a preferred view. And for our preferred view, we'll go take a look at what we have. We have the DVC pool, so the Discovery Tower pool. So this pool is open to all guests, but it is over in this area. It's much quieter than the main pool. And then there is also a Steamboat Willie kind of splash pad over there for the kids. And there's also a lounge downstairs too that's outside. So lots over here if you're looking to have a little bit more space than you do in the traditional rooms at Disneyland Hotel. This is a great option. So that's going to do it for the tour of our room that we're staying in. If you have any questions, if you've stayed here before and you have a review, I would love to hear them below in the comments. As always, please be sure to subscribe, like this video, and if you're looking to plan a Disney vacation, be sure to reach out to KMV Travel through the information below.